Hi friends! Today I'm going to paint something beautiful. Me! In my last tutorial I tried the split cakes by CheekFX, kind of magic. It was pretty magical and I love the rainbow one. I would like to share with you some of the designs that I enjoy. Let's call this one Rainbow Crown. You'll get a big flat brush. This is my almost ending rainbow. I'm gonna get into it like this. And I will make a crown, place it in the middle. Like that. Then, very important to flip your brush so we can connect all the rainbow and place it back. Like this. All those imperfections you can actually fix because we can edit this into a better crown. Take a smaller round brush, get some red. This is CheekFX paint. Now we'll fix it a little bit. See, depending on what you're interested in, you can make this design much more detailed. I like different crystals and gems that I will paint in the form of dots. If working with large brushes is hard, and especially in the face, I would recommend getting a smaller brush. Like this. It's very small, 0, it will guarantee more control and a better quality of your artwork. It is up to you how you decorate this crown. You can follow my directions or make your own rules. I will add some color black to make more contrast. We have a crown. It's pretty detailed by now. I would like to try and show you this butterfly design. I'm not sure if I will be able to do it on myself. I only have done it on other people, but I will try, right? Why not? Doing the same thing here. The idea is for the butterfly come from here and go like that. Let's try. Fill it in with red. Now you can modify it and add more color. Of course, the details here is up to you. I just want to add more colors and maybe outline it with black and then add some highlights with white. I'll take a tiny brush again. And you can always add some more white drops and dots to make it more dynamic and interesting and fun. not going to do another butterfly on this side. However, if I was getting fully into character, it would look kind of interesting. If the two of them were here, I'd be like, I will just support this design with a bit of white, maybe a little star. That is all for now. I hope you learned something and will be wearing beautiful crowns and butterflies on your face. The space awaits for me. See you soon.